Smart ideas from Manitoba Hydro.
The best way to keep carbon monoxide out of your home is not to let it in. Proper use and maintenance of fuel-burning equipment and appliances is essential. Have your furnace and other fuel-burning equipment inspected annually to ensure it's in good working order. Make sure vents, flue pipes, and chimneys are clear of leaves, snow, and other debris. A clogged vent can contribute to the production of carbon monoxide in your home. While you are checking your vents, it's a smart idea to repair any faulty eaves troughs to prevent ice and melting snow from dripping onto your natural gas meter. Ice buildup on your meter can cause the pressure regulator to malfunction and allow excess gas into your home.
This smart idea brought to you by Manitoba Hydro.